English Life. Unit 3. It's all about you. Jobs and occupations. What's her job? What's his job? He is a police officer. She is a teacher. He is a construction worker. He is an architect. He is a pilot. He is a builder. He is a student. Jobs and occupations. What's her job? What's his job? She is a waitress. He is a doctor. He is a farmer. He is a judge. He is a businessman. She is a shop assistant. She is a nurse. Jobs and occupations. What's her job? What's his job? He is an engineer. He is a bus driver. He is a mechanic. He is a barber. She is a psychologist. Jobs and occupations. What's her job? What's his job? He's an electrician. He is a bellboy, or he is a bellhop. He is a firefighter. She is a paramedic. He is a dentist. Jobs and occupations. What's her job? What's his job? She is a housewife. She is a housekeeper. He is a singer. She is a photographer. He is a cameraman. Negatives. Is she a student? She isn't a student. She's a teacher. Are you a teacher? Is he a nurse? He isn't a nurse. He's a doctor. Welcome to my profile. Ross Green. Surname Green. First name Ross. Country the United States. Address 6 Lexington Drive, Hyannis, MA. Phone number 07700955031. Age 29. Job businessman. Is he married? No, he isn't. Introduce myself. My name is Jonathan Silva. You can call me Joe. I live in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I live at 282 Amazonas Avenue, Ipanema, Rio de Janeiro. I have one brother and one sister. Their names are Adriano and Natasha. I am 18 years old. I was born in 2001. I was born on 18th of May 2001. I am a student at Ipanema High in 12th grade. My name is Elton Jumbly Schnettler. I am 40 years old. I am South African. My favorite color is blue. My favorite school subject is English. My favorite meal is pizza. My hobbies are reading, playing computer games, drinking beer, and relaxing with my family. I have a small family. I have one brother and one sister, two siblings. Their names are Adrian and Natasha. I don't know what my father does because I grew up with my grandparents. My mother is retired. My name is Elton Schnettler. I am 40 years old. I live in Contagem, Brazil. I have one brother and one sister. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite color is blue. My best friend's name is Raquel. I like to read, listen to music, watch movies and play computer games. I don't like to draw or to catch spiders.